Finally, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. The doctor says your bones have healed, and it's time to remove the cast. But before you head out to celebrate an intense workout, you should know a few things. Depending on the severity of your injury, you may need some physical therapy exercises to restore strength and range of motion so you can easily carry out regular activities. In this video on parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you some tips on how to get back into exercise after your cast is removed and suggest 5 exercises to try to start strengthening your arms. Stick around to the end. Five exercises to try after the cast is removed. Number 5. Wrist circles. The first exercise you can do is wrist circles. This simple movement helps to relax your fingers and wrists when you are in a position where you cannot move for a long time. To do wrist circles, simply extend your arms in front of you, palms down. Slowly make small circles with your wrist in a clockwise and counterclockwise motion. Number 4. Wrist extension and flexion. Sit with your hands on the table in front of you, palms up. Gently bend your wrist back with your other hand before returning to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Then turn your hand so that the palm is facing down and repeat the exercise. Number 3. Putty flexion squeeze. The putty flexion compression exercise is a great way to help regain arm strength and range of motion after the cast is removed. To perform this exercise, start by sitting at a table and holding a small ball of putty in your affected hand. Squeeze the putty with your fingers for 20 seconds, then let it sit for 20 seconds. Repeat 4 times. You should feel the muscles in your hand working when you squeeze the putty. This workout is a great way to gradually regain arm strength and range of motion after the cast is removed. Number 2. Wall push-ups. Start by standing at arm's length from a wall with your feet shoulder width apart. Put your palms on the wall at about chest height. Lean against a wall, bend your elbows until they form a 90-degree angle, then push back to the starting position. Repeat this 10 times. Number 1. Bicep curls with resistance band. One of the perfect ways to relax your body and mind is to use resistance bands. They are light and easy to transport, so you can use them anywhere. Attach the band to a sturdy object with your feet standing in the middle of the band. Next, hold the band with your palms up and bring your arms toward your shoulders until you feel a squeeze in your biceps. Return to the starting position and repeat 10 times. As your muscles get stronger, you can use heavier elastic bands. You can also use resistance bands for tricep lunges, shoulder presses, and chest flies. Hand rehabilitation after cast removal does not have to be difficult or boring. There are many different exercises you can do to restore muscle mass and strength. Start slowly at first and gradually increase the intensity as your muscles get stronger. Have fun. Mix things up, try different exercises, and stay motivated all the time. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. The importance of physical therapy after cast removal. After the cast is removed, it is important to start physiotherapy as soon as possible. Your arms will weaken from disuse, and you will need to rebuild your muscles. Physical therapy can help boost the range of motion in your hand or wrist. It can also help relieve any pain or stiffness you may feel. Often, a therapist will work with you to develop an individualized physical therapy plan. The program may include exercise, stretching, and massage. When can I start training again? Ideally, you should wait until your doctor gives you all the warnings before you start exercising. Every person and every injury is different, so it's important to get your doctor's approval before resuming. Once you get your doctor's approval, start slowly. Don't try to pick up where you left off before the injury, but gradually get used to things. What kind of training should I do? For the first few days after the cast is removed, focus on exercises that do not put too much pressure on the affected area. Range of motion exercises is a good place to start. Once you've regained your mobility, you can start incorporating strength training into your routine. As always, listen to your body and don't put too much pressure on yourself. If something hurts, stop doing it. How long should I exercise? Start slowly and gradually increase the duration of the workout as you feel more comfortable. When you first start, do 10 to 15 minutes of exercise a few times a week. As you get more used to exercising, you can increase the time and frequency of your workouts. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Pushing too fast can lead to repeated injuries. How long will therapy last? Your body's natural healing process uses cartilage and fibroblasts to repair the two pieces of the broken bone. The wrist and hand should be able to perform most activities 8 to 10 weeks after surgery. After about 4 to 6 months, most patients can resume heavy wrist or arm movements and activities. It is important to begin hand and wrist exercises as soon as possible after the cast is removed. Avoiding strength training with a physical therapist or home exercises for hand and wrist injuries puts you at risk of muscle damage. Stiffness and soreness will gradually decrease as you exercise and return to normal movement. Your therapist may ask you to exercise 3 to 5 times a day. After the cast is removed, remember, weakness or stiffness after cast removal is common. This should improve as you safely return to your normal activities. The bones are still healing, so you should take it easy and be gentle on your upper body. Sometimes physical or occupational therapy is needed to help you recover. It includes exercises that improve muscle strength and joint flexibility. When doing hand and wrist exercises after the cast is removed, remember that every fracture or bone is different. It is important to follow your therapist's instructions carefully to ensure a safe recovery. Consult your doctor if you feel pain for a long time after the cast is removed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.